Hey, welcome to English Coaching Project's Funny Expressions. Today's expression is next to nothing. I learned next to nothing. Here's the joke. I was so bored last night. I read 6 pages of the dictionary. I learned next to nothing. When we say we learn next to nothing, we mean we have learned virtually nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Almost nothing. Whatever you just did was a complete waste of time. Unlike watching this video, because you learn lots of things watching these videos, yeah? Just say yes. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to do some reading.